Hey folks, it's Bill with Dine Drink Travel. If you follow me on social media, you know that over the years I've complained about American Airlines because there's been some stuff that's gone wrong. But I also want to give credit where it's due, and there's some stuff they handle really well. One of the things that they handle well is their domestic meal service, particularly the ability to select meals in advance. I'm in the Las Vegas airport right now getting ready to board a flight to Dallas, so it's a standard mid-com flight. I'm in first class, and this is a breakfast flight. What I want to do in this video is tell you what a breakfast on American Airlines is like. On this channel, we never make you watch us eat, so what I'll do is take some rolling video footage of it and then tell you afterwards what I thought. But before I do that, there's a note that I need to make. That's this. Always select your meals in advance. That's the thing that American does best. If you're in first class at least 24 hours in advance, you can go into your reservation and you can pick out what it is you want to eat. On this flight there was, and this is pretty standard on their breakfast flights, there is both a protein option as well as a vegetarian starch option. Both of those are fine and you can certainly pick on the plane, but the problem is that if you wait and do that, they may have run out of the particular thing that you want. In addition, if you go into your reservation in advance, you can do it, you can select all of their special meals. So if you need kosher food, if you need have particular dietary restrictions, you can do all of those things. And it's a really good option and stuff they do well. You can do that 30 days before the flight up until 24 hours before the flight, which means it doesn't work if you get an upgrade at the last minute. But if you've been upgraded at least 24 hours in advance, or if you've just bought a first class ticket, it works great. So I'm getting close to my boarding gate. What I'm going to do is come back on the plane, show you some rolling videos so you know what it was like, and then once I get on the ground in Dallas, I'll talk to you about the actual meal. Y'all be safe. So I had some audio problems on the plane. I'm having to do a voiceover now, but the service started fantastically. They came out with a hot towel. There weren't any warm nuts on this flight, but that wasn't a problem. They brought me my drink, and I'll talk about this later on. The Bloody Mary probably wasn't the choice here, but still, the flight attendants were friendly and engaged. We got our drinks quickly, we got our hot towel quickly, and we were being served almost immediately after we got up in the air. Once they brought me the plate, it was all served on one plate, but it was actually really good. Like, that frittata was something that I enjoyed. The sweet potato hash was a little bit unusual, but the scone or the scone was good. The fresh fruit is always a strength. They had some butter there. There weren't any salt and pepper packets, but that's fine. That towel was useful. By the way, you can button it to the top button on your shirt, and that'll help keep you clean on the flight. But the meal service was great. So let me give you the hot take from the airport. Hey folks, I've arrived here in DFW safe and sound, and domestic meal service in first class is something that American Airlines actually does pretty well. So there were two main options on the flight. The one that you saw in the rolling video that I did, and then the guy next to me had a bagel with cream cheese and salmon. So there were a couple of great choices. Again, the reason to pre-order is to make sure you get the choice that you want, and so that you've got access to all of the special choices. But yeah, that frittata thing that I had actually tasted pretty good. It was served hot. It was great. The sweet potato hash was a little bit weird, but whatever, right? Like, it was so fine. The fruit was good. And those scones were actually great. So the food was good. The only part I really didn't enjoy was the Bloody Mary, but I knew better than that, right? Like, it's in an airplane. Don't rely on great bartending service. Just have them pour something in a glass. So yeah, the meal was a good thing. I enjoyed it. There weren't any mixed nuts on this one, which there usually is on domestic first class flights on American, but it was nice. I enjoyed the meal. I hope this video has been helpful to you folks, because what we try really hard to do here at Dine Drink Travel is bring you short and focused videos, which give you the information that you need to plan your next trip. If we've done that, please support the channel by clicking like and subscribe. Also, every time you leave a comment in the comment section, it helps YouTube show our videos to more people. So, and we'd love to hear from our listeners, and we'd love to answer your questions and get back to you as quickly as we can. So thanks so much, and happy travels.